Hello students, welcome to AK classes and my name is Akash Kohli and the today's topic is square root and cube root of a number as I promised in my previous lecture, and I hope you know very well about how to find a square and cube of a number now using some identities. Now this lecture will tell you that how to find the square root and cube root of a number within fraction of seconds, right? So let's start. So this is the very first slide I'm going to show you, which is the square root of a number. All right. So you need to find the square root of all these numbers. But before that, I'll tell you some tips and tricks that how to find the square root of a number, right? For that, please follow these instructions. And now I'm going to start to tell you about the square root of a number. So these are the numbers I have written here. So these are 10 numbers. I need to find out the square root of all these. So first of all, I need to find that which numbers are the perfect square of others, right? So you can see I have written 1 here. There is 6, there is 4, 9, 4, 4, 6, 6. So most of the numbers are 1, 4, 6 and 9, right? So why actually I took all these numbers? Because see, what we have to do, we have to find that the number which are ending with 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, we can find the square root of only these numbers, right? The numbers ending with these digits, we can find the square root of only those numbers. Otherwise, if the number is ending with 2, 3 or 7 or 8, then of course we can find the estimated square root. That is not exact square root. That is an estimated square root in which I'll do what? I'll just minus 1 or plus 1 with this number and then find the square root using this method, right? So that will be an estimated square root as I told you. So first of all, I need to learn what I need to learn the squares of numbers till 10. Of course, if you are able to learn the squares of number till 20 or up to 30, that would be beneficial because after that you will be able to find the square root of, you need to actually learn the squares first, that you can find by using that method that I told you in my previous lecture. I have pasted the link with this video for that lecture. So what you need to learn, you need to learn like squares till 25 or 30 for, and after that you will be able to find the square root of the numbers which are the squares of actually 256, 257, because you have learned till 25, right? So the squares of these are 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, and 10 square is 100, right? So these are the numbers, and you can see that all these numbers are ending with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. There is no number like 2, 3, 7. Now what you have to do, you have to see that there are two ones, two fours, two nines, 2, 6, 1, 5, and 1, 0, right? So this is the concept behind this. So let's start. Now, what is written? Just look at the number at the unit place. This is 1. So 1 is here also and 1 is here also. Means I need to write it as 1 or 9. See, this is my unit digit for the square root of this, right? Now, what will be the tens place digit? So for that, I need to leave the 2 digits from the last. I'm again telling you, you need to leave 2 digits from the last and then what is left? You need to find the number which is just close to this. For example, this is 47, so just this is 49, it is closer to this, but we need to find a number which is actually smaller than this. So 36 is smaller than 47, so it is 6. So you need to write 61 or 69. Now there is one more confusion, that whether 61 is the answer or 69 is the answer. In my previous lecture, in the very first topic, I have a link there. I'll share the link in this video again. For that, you need to find that what is the square of 65 cross 65. I told you a trick. This is 5, 5, 25. This is plus 1, 7, 6 of 42. So 4, 2, 2, 5. Now see whether the number is greater than this or smaller than this. So of course, this is 4, 2, 2, 5. This is 4, 7, 6, 1. So this is greater than this. So answer would be 69. So this is the answer for this. Let us find the answer for this. This is 16. Again, 4 and 6. This is, I am leaving these two, right? This is 92. 92 is 81. Whether it is 94 or 96, I need to find by having that method, that is 9025. So this is greater than 9025. So the answer is 96. This is the answer, right? So let us find for this. I'm going to erase some of the terms or digits here. So now we are at 6084. So what you have to do, again, you need to write 2 or you need to write 8, because 4 is here and here. So this is 8 or this is 2. This is 2, this is 8. So now you have to leave the last two digits. Now this is 60. 60 is here, 7. It might be 72 or 78. Now what about 75 square? That is 5625. So this is of course greater than this. So the answer would be 78. So 78 is the square root of this number. So, okay, now we will discuss about this. This is 529. So this is ending with a 9. So what you have to write? You have to write 3 or you have to write 7. So 3 or 7. Now you have to leave these two digits. Now this is 5. 5 is what? This is 4. So 2. 23 or 27. Now again, there is a confusion whether 23 is the answer or 27. Now what you have to do? You have to find the square of 25. You know the method. 25 square is 625. This is 625 and this is 529. Of course, this is smaller than this number. So the answer would be 23. So in this way, you can find the squares of all these numbers. I would like to solve one number from these three. I would suggest to go for 8th one. This is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what about this? This is 6. So this is only for 4 and 6. Of course, you know that 4 and 6. Now you have to leave two numbers always. Now this is 134. So 11 square is 121. 12 square is 144. So 121 will be here. So 114, 116. Now the problem is I again need to find whether 114 is the answer or 116. So what about 115 cross 115? That is 13225, right? You know the method, 13225. So this number is greater than 13225. Of course, this is 13456. So the answer would be 116. These questions are homework for you. 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10. And please write the answers in the comment section, right? I'm going to clear the screen now. Now, let us start and do cube root of a number, right? So now we are going to discuss cube root of a number. So let's start with this. For that, you need to learn the cubes of some numbers. Now, this is again up to 10. You should learn these by heart because these are very important. This is 1, 2, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, 512, 729, and 1000. These are the cubes of numbers till 10. So you have to learn, of course, you have to learn all these. And now you can see 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So all the unit place digits are here. Like all the digits from 0 to 9 are here. So the digit is what? 6. So where is it? 6. So my unit place digit will be 6. Now you have to find the cube root. For that, you need to leave 3 digits from the end. Now this is 175. Again, the same rule. 175 is what? 125 to 56 will be the answer. This is the answer. Now you have to look for 9. This is 9. You have to leave 3. 704. 704 means 512. This is 89. Now this is 6. Again 6. Now you have to leave 3. This is 46. 46 means you need to go for 3. 36 because the number is of course smaller than 4 but greater than 3. So 3 will be the answer. Now let's go for this. This is 2. 2 comes at 8. See, this is 512. This is 2 at 8. So you have to leave 3. This is 941. 941 means you have to write 9 here. Right? So this is the answer. Now, of course, the next sums will be your homework. But yes, I would like to solve one more sum, the 5th one for you, so that you are able to find the digits like these. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7-digit number. And all these are 6 or 5-digit numbers. So this is 3. Let's find where 3 comes. It is 7. 7, right? So leave 3. This is 1, 2, 2, 5. So what about 11 cube? This is 1331, of course. So 1331 is of course a greater number. So the answer would be 107, right? So this is the way to find the cube root of a number. So these all are homework. Please do it and write your answers in the comment section. Thank you so much, and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.